Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add some letters to your animated name or word project. Okay, so I actually don't need a cat in my particular project, so goodbye, Scratch Cat. What I'm instead going to do is add in some letters. So to do that, I'm going to go down here and click Choose a Sprite. Now there's a bunch of sprites here, and the letters are at the very bottom, so it takes a while to scroll to it, but there's a quick way to get to it by simply going to this category and clicking letters. Now I'm going to add in the letters for Chief Washaki. So if I click on this, it will now add in a letter. So I'm going to do this real quick to add in some more. All right, so I'm pretty fast. And so I've added in the letters for which is not the person that I was actually trying to write this out as. So I wrote in all the letters, or added in all the letters for Chief Washaki, and it does not look good. Now the reason why is because I actually need to move these different sprites to put them in the correct location. So I'm going to start moving the sprites like that, so that way it can actually spell out Chief Washaki. Okay, so you're going to add in letters for your project, going down here, choosing a sprite, and clicking on the letters tab, and then you're going to add it for your name or your word that you're creating in your project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.